Okay, sir.
So whenever you introduce yourself, you can start by good morning.
Okay.
Whatever is, you can start. Or you can say, if you don't want to tell good morning, you can tell hello, or you can tell hi. This kind of things you can use because the English is modern. So people nowadays they are using hi also, hello also. Mostly we regard that hi should not be tell to everyone, but nowadays in modern world everybody is using to everyone hi or hello. But don't use this one. Don't use this HALLO. Don't use this. Is used on phone call. This is used on phone call.
Okay.
So avoid it. Clear? After good morning, hello, hi, what you will do? You will say this is your name. You will write here. This is Rafi. And this we use this when you are very near to someone. Like right now, you are not very near to me, but you are online. We are just online. So you can say this. If something is very near or someone is very near, you can use this is marker because this is very near to me. But something is very far from you. Like that is okay. That is a boy. It means that the boy is far from me. So for this is used for the near object, and that is used for the far object. Okay. So you can. That's why nowadays for introduction purpose, this is also used. This is Rafi, and you will tell I belong to. I belong to VELONG. I belong to India. Right now you are out of India, so you will tell I belong to India. But if you are in India and you are introducing someone, then you will tell I belong to Betihata, Gorakhpur. Because first somebody will come in India, then he will come in UP, then he will come in Gorakhpur, then in his locality only. So if you are out of the India, you can tell I belong to India. But right now, right now, right now means right now. Okay, where are you? So right now, I hail. Hail. There is a word hail. HAIL, hail. Hail means रहना. Hail means रहना. Nivas, रहना. Hail means रहना. Live means रहना. So I hail. So in Dubai, where do you live? Which city do you live in Dubai?
No, sir. I live in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah.
Here I have used at. Why I have used at?
Yes,
Because
yes,
at
sir.
is used for small cities. Like suppose no city is small. Okay, if in front of country every city is small. So since you are in Dubai, so in front of Dubai, Jeddah is smaller because it locates in Dubai. So for Dubai is bigger country you can say, and this Jeddah is a city. Now at Jeddah, you will write at Jeddah. So this is for bigger city, bigger country, whatever, bigger place because Saudi is a country, and this is for smaller place. I'm writing place here. But if you are in Jeddah and you have to tell I live in Jeddah. If you are in Jeddah, you're not comparing with Saudi. If you are simply telling that I live in Jeddah, so here I'm using in. You know why? Because I'm not comparing to anyone. I'm only simply I am telling I live in Jeddah. But if you are writing the country name as well as the city name together, so in that case you will write at Jeddah in Saudi. Got it? When both the city and country name will be written together, in that case you will write at Jeddah in Saudi. Clear? Okay, now tell me one thing. From before how many years did you come in Saudi? 4 years.
3 years.
3 years. So now I'm going to rub this. Please write it. Then I will rub it. And you can do me a favor that whatever sentences you feel that you are using in your in that country. Okay, like to your colleagues, like the people who belongs to different countries. Maybe whatever you are doing in that particular job profile, what are the sentences you are speaking? If you can write to me in Hindi, then I will tell you the exact translation so that it will help you for the better conversation. Okay, because day-to-day life, because your day-to-day life is totally changed there. Maybe you are using different language. means different sentences you are using, technical sentences. Okay, with your friends, with your colleagues. So you can write to me, then I will give you the exact sentence. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now you will write the. Actually, whenever you introduce yourself, to what you write first. Actually, now you are in job. So right now you have to tell your name. Don't tell your father's name, mother's name in the beginning of your introduction. It's not allowed. Okay, professionally it's not allowed.
Okay, sir.
Always you start from yourself, like your name, where are you from, where are you in right now, okay, what are you doing. So I have written what are you doing. So you are working as a mechanical engineer in Dubai.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to write now what
Yes,
you are
sir.
doing right now in Dubai. I'm going to write. You can write here. Have been working. I have been working as a mechanical engineer. What is your firm name? What is your firm name?
Reno United Construction Company.
Reno, Reno United
United Construction Company.
Construction. Okay. This is in Jeddah city, na?
Yes, sir.
Jeddah. Jeddah city, Saudi. For
Yes, sir.
the last 3 years. For the last 3 years. So this will help you for your introduction whenever you want to go for other company and you want to introduce yourself. Actually, you don't have to learn it. Don't try to learn it. Okay, it should be like normal. When you are speaking now, your introduction, it should appear to the person in front of you that you are speaking very much normally. Don't try to learn it, grab it. Okay. So I will ask this introduction daily so that if somebody is asking you about yourself, at least you can tell confidently that what you are. Because first impression is a last impression, become the last also, like you don't get other opportunity to speak. Okay, this you got. Now this was about yourself. Now I'm going to tell about your family now. So whenever somebody is asking about introduction, you will start from your only and you will finish here. Now, if somebody is asking about your family, then you will tell about your family. Otherwise, don't tell without any, like, if they're not asking you, don't tell them. Now, I'm going to write here. Okay. As for my family background. Family background. If somebody is asking, then only you will tell. You don't need to tell this. Sometimes the person wants to know, okay, about your family.
Okay.
They want to know your like your atmosphere of your family. That's why they're asking this type of question. As for FOR, my family background, I belong to a joint family of total. Okay, you have 5 brothers, including you or excluding you. Including means you are also in count, or excluding means you are out of the count. Including
Sir?
means you are in the count, like you have 5 brothers or 4 brothers.
5 brother.
5 with you.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, you have no sister.
No sister.
Okay, so I'm going to write total 5 brothers and mama papa. Okay, father mother both 7. Total 7.
Okay.
7 members,
Yes, sir.
including me. Including me, I have my parents and 4 brothers. You, I'm not counting you. Okay, except you. 4 brothers are there. Elder brother there or younger brother? Younger brother, no?
Yes, sir.
Anger. For anger. Now my father's name is. My mother's name is. Father's name is. Father's name is first. My father's name is. Okay. Father's name. You write your father's name and what your father is
Okay.
this. What your father is doing? Who is a
Sir, my father is a tailor.
tailor? Who is a tailor?
Yes.
Tailor master. My mother.
A housewife.
Mother's. My mother's name is. You will tell with Mr. and Mrs. Okay. Who is a house
Okay.
housemaker. It is professionally we are writing housemaker. Housewife doesn't. It seems that
Okay.
she only belongs to your father. Housewife. So if you are telling housemaker, so it looks that she belongs to the house. Got it? Huh? So who is a housemaker? Now this is you
Housemaker.
right. This is all completed. Right. That was all about myself. Thank you.